My name is Meghana. I am studying 7th class. My school name is VidyaJyothi English Medium School. Today my science project work is Forest Our Lifeline. My topic is some crone shapes. Visit a forest or a park in your neighbors. Observe the trees and try to identify them. You can take the help of some elders or books on trees. List the characteristics of the trees that you observe, such as a height, shape of leaves, crown, flowers and fruits. Also draw the crown shapes some trees. From Ahmad pointed out that these had different types and sizes. This has created different horizontal layers in the forest. These are known understories, giant and tall trees constituted by herbs and tall grasses and shrubs formed lowest layer. Woodwick and similar kind of trees in every forest. No, due to different climate conditions, in the type of plants and trees, other trees, in the type of animals also differ from forest to forest. Thank you, sir.